Why is no one talking about the real impact of your diet on your body's balance? The alkaline diet might surprise you. The alkaline diet centers around keeping your body's pH level between 735 and 745, aiming for optimal health. It pushes for eating more fruits and veggies because they're thought to make your body more alkaline, which is supposedly better for you. It's all about what you eat affecting your body's acid and alkaline balance. Eating the right foods can help keep your body balanced and feeling good. If you love fruits and veggies, this diet might be a win for you, showing that what's on your plate really can affect how your body feels. It's about more than just losing weight or fitting a diet trend. It's about your overall health. But can ditching certain foods really change your body's pH? Choices in your diet hugely influence your body's pH. Alkaline believers suggest chowing down on lots of non-starchy veggies and fruits and cutting back on acid makers like meats and dairy. Even as a vegan, junk food choices can sneak in acidity, while omnivores can stay alkaline with the right veggie-heavy meal plan. It's not just about being vegan or meat eater, it's what you eat that could keep you feeling awesome. Whether you're munching on carrots or enjoying your soy latte, the alkaline diet is tapping on the shoulder, reminding you that smart food choices matter, no matter your diet label. So, is all this effort to balance pH levels really making a difference? This whole acid versus alkaline thing sparks a lot of debate. The alkaline diet isn't just another trend. It's part of a bigger conversation on how our diets can reflect our values and impact our health. It champions eating plenty of plants, aiming to fill your body with the good stuff. This diet isn't just about choosing kale over cake, it's about understanding the power of your diet. It might be about looking and feeling great, but it's also an ethical choice for some. The big takeaway, the food on your fork is more than just fuel, it's key to balancing your health.